Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a new Salesforce account. We'll walk through the entire process, from finding the right sign-up page to logging in for the first time. This free Developer Edition account is perfect for learning and testing, offering a robust environment. You'll gain hands-on experience with Salesforce's powerful tools and features, setting you up for success. Let's get started with these simple steps to unlock your new account. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Salesforce developer website. Look for a prominent Sign Up or Start Your Free Trial button, usually located in the top right corner or center of the page. Clicking this will take you to the registration form. Make sure you have an active email address handy, as it's crucial for account verification. This initial step is quick, often taking less than 1 minute. Next, you'll fill out the registration form with your personal and company details. Accurately enter your first name, last name, and a working email address. Then, provide your company name and select your country from the drop-down menu. For your username, it must be unique across all Salesforce platforms and in an email format like your name at company.com. Finally, review and agree to the service terms, then click Sign Me Up to submit your information. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a verification message from Salesforce. This email contains a link you must click to confirm your account. Once verified, you'll be prompted to set a new, strong password and choose a security question. Remember these details carefully. With your password set, you can now log into your new Salesforce account using the username you created and your new password. Congratulations, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.